Imagine you're walking by a river and suddenly a fish starts crawling toward you on its fins. No, this isn't a horror movie. This is the real-life mudskipper, a fish that can walk, climb trees, and even blink like humans. Found in the muddy coasts of Asia and Africa, this fish survives hours without water. It breathes through its skin and mouth, just like an amphibian. And here's the twist. Scientists believe this creature shows how life first crawled from water to land 375 million years ago. So next time you see mud, be careful. Something might walk out of it. As you wander further down this fascinating river, you spot more mudskippers, each one skillfully maneuvering through their muddy habitat. The children around you gasp in amazement, watching as one daring mudskipper makes its way up a tree, defying expectations of what a fish can do. This remarkable creature captivates everyone, reminding us of the endless wonders of nature and the evolutionary journey that brought life onto land.